we are doing ultrasound guided injections. If you see on the screen, these black circles are kind of winking at us. Those are veins under the surface that are leading to veins on the surface. See this one right on the surface winking? That's a varicose vein, and it comes off of this guy. So we have to treat this guy so that the other ones can go away. So today we are going to use the ultrasound to guide the injection. It's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is line up along the course of a vein, and I like to do it in this view. So here you're gonna feel a little pinch, and I'm coming in. It's really cool if you see on the ultrasound, you see my needle comes into the vein. I make sure I'm in the vein, and once I know I am and have that confirmation, I inject all the way into the surface of the skin. That is one location, and then I will do a couple more locations in her visit, and it will work to clear up a lot of the veins on the surface, all these blue guys that bulge when she stands, and then we'll eventually make our way to the spider veins. So I'm coming to a second location under the guidance of the ultrasound, all to ensure placement, accurate placement. Try not to move with a pinch. Come through, I see my needle on ultrasound, boom, I'm in. I confirm that I'm in by getting some blood in the hub of my needle and inject. And I follow it all the way up to where I need to be. And I milk it. I milk it, milk it, milk it, spread the love. Sclerotherapy, we try to make everyone really comfortable. It's the tiniest needle, little pinches, and sometimes it can be uncomfortable. The key is we provide a squeeze ball, nice calming sounds on the TV, and just a nice environment for relaxation so that we can go ahead and treat the veins. The key to successful sclerotherapy is to get the feeder vein. And I like to explain it where this is almost like the tree trunk, and these are the branches and the leaves. If you really want to kill the branches and the leaves, you can't just cut them, because without removal and killing of the trunk, the branches will just return. So we have to, unfortunately, kill this tree by the trunk first so the branches don't return. Then we can attack the branches. Who doesn't love to see it disappear? Never gets old.